Take out all components from the box. Check if all accessories are included and in good condition. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the stem cap screws. Place the handlebars onto the stem position. Pre-tighten the stem cap screws. Adjust the handlebar direction according to personal preference. Securely tighten the screws. Use two Allen keys. Hold one and rotate the other clockwise to loosen. Then loosen bottom screw for height adjustment. Adjust the stem angle to your desired riding position. Film while semi-tightening the other clockwise to specified torque. One while semi-tightening the other clockwise to specified torque. Tighten the stem bottom bolt to secure the adjusted height. Then tighten side screws entirely. Remove the plastic pad from the front brake caliper. Remove the collision protection pads and fork protector from the front wheel. Lift the front wheel and align the disc with the brake caliper. Align the hubs left and right sides with the front fork openings and insert the front wheel. Remove the nuts and springs from the front wheel quick release. Insert the front wheel quick release axle through the hub. Then tighten the nuts and lock the quick release. Pass the fender through the front fork. Use screws to install the front light in the direction shown in the video, and tighten it onto the mudguard and front light. Adjust the direction of the front light. Interface with those on the front light. Port and install the light interface. Interface with those on the front light. Port and install the light interface. Locate the fender stays and align them with the mounting holes on the rear side of the fork legs. Secure the fender stays to the mounting holes on the rear side of the fork legs using Phillips head screws. Adjust the fender position by manipulating the fender stays. Then tighten the hex head bolt at the specified location using an Allen key when optimal alignment is achieved. Take out the pedals and check the L markings. L indicates the left pedal. Install the L pedal on the left crank by rotating it forward towards the front wheel. Take out the pedals and check the R markings. R indicates the right pedal. Install the R pedal on the right crank by rotating it forward towards the front wheel. Open the seat post quick release and adjust the seat to a comfortable height. Long press the power on-off button on the display for about a second to turn on the display power. Short press the R buttons to increase-decrease power assist level. Long press the and buttons together to switch to the parameter display interface. Long press the J button to turn on-off the front and rear lights. Short press the on-off button to turn on/off the battery ambient light. Press button and hold to activate 6000米每小时 walk assist mode. Pushing the top lever shifts to a higher gear, while pushing the bottom lever shifts to lower gear. Open the rubber cap of the charging port on the side of the battery. Connect the charger to the power source. A red light indicates charging, while a green light indicates a full charge. When removing the battery for the first time, please peel off the warning label and carefully read the safety warnings. Remove the battery. Insert the battery key and turn it clockwise to eject the battery. Use your hand to hold the battery, then push the key inside and turn again to remove the battery. Short press battery button to indicate battery status. Long press battery button to turn on/off ambient light. To install the battery, place the bottom of the battery into the battery slot. Press in and remove the battery key.